Listen up, Southern Ontario. We are tracking a historically anomalous weather event for Saturday, March 7th. Forget the standard spring forecast. Our data shows a record-breaking Gulf tap importing tropical moisture into the province. We are looking at dew points hitting 15 to 16 degrees Celsius. That's the ceiling for what the atmosphere can hold in March. While thermal instability is limited, we are entering a high shear, high moisture environment. This is marginal risk for severe weather, but don't let that label fool you. We aren't looking for power severe. We are looking for impact severe, flooding and damaging wind momentum. So, round one, the tropical overrunning. Round one is expected to begin at 2 a.m. and end at 11 a.m. Round 1 begins in the early morning hours. This is the warm frontal pulse. Expect torrential tropical rain style with embedded thunder. Because the cold air aloft is sitting so high, the clouds are optimized for rain production rather than lightning. The biggest threat here is flooding. We are dropping tropical moisture onto frozen concrete slab ground with melting snow. The runoff will be 100%. Drainage systems will be overwhelmed. If you are in Southwest Ontario or the Grand River watershed, the morning is about managing water. It's a raw, windy, and an incredibly wet start to the day. And then round 2, we got afternoon squall lines beginning at 3 p.m., ending at 7 p.m. The atmosphere taps into the fuel aloft. As the cold front slams into that record moist air, we expect a squall line to ignite. Here's our breakdown. We have a 107-kilometer low-level jet sitting just above our heads. In the afternoon, those rising clouds will grab that momentum and drag it down. For the Niagara Peninsula, expect wind peaks gusts of 100 kilometers an hour, and for the rest of Southern Ontario, expect 80-kilometer frontline winds with possible small hail of 0.25 inches size of hail. But the hail won't be hard, it might be slushy. The rainfall rates in this line will be extreme, peaking at 15 millimeters an hour. That is a firehose effect. Visibility on the 401 and the QEW will drop to near zero instantly. Watch for shelf clouds. That is your visual warning that the wind is about to hit. Final note on the southwest. The front may bend or fracture, meaning Windsor and Sarnia could see the worst of the afternoon lines skip past them. However, they are still in the risk for the morning flood, and this is not guaranteed. Our summary. Extreme flooding is a high risk due to 15 millimeters an hour rates on frozen ground. Damaging winds, 80 to 100 kilometer gusts as the line taps the jet. Low lightning, small hail. This is a momentum event. Don't wait for the thunder. When you see those clouds rising, get indoors. Expect rainfall rates to hit 15 to 50 millimeters at the end of the day.